it, let it blow. Load it, cock it, let it go. Load it, cock it, let it blow. Load it, cock it, let it go.
Get in where you fit in. This is not our decision. We going in and we killing. Better get in position. Listen, this is not a drill. This the real thing. Rainbow is here. This a real team. 6 skater protocol. How are we supposed to fall? Blow the doors, run inside, clear the corners, hold the wall. Cover me, I'm going in. Look around and go right. Nation is depending on us. Put aside your own life.
We've got to save them one by one.
You gotta put aside your own life.
We're rainbows underneath the sun. We live in the shadows. You hang in the gallows, waiting till the time is right, and then we'll strike.
The world's on fire, 'cause they lit the spark. When they go, we are
rainbows in the dark.
Now they fall, we are
rainbows in the dark.
So stand tall, we are
rainbows in the dark.
Gotta get inside, gotta light 'em up, gotta hit 'em high with a rifle. What do you think that we do when we run inside? Do we run and hide? So split the team to the left, to the right. If you take that hit, everybody gonna fly. Team Rainbow Six, then you know you're gonna die, leaving nobody alive. Going into the ceiling, we killing, we infiltrating the building. Don't shoot 'em in the leg, gotta shoot 'em in the head. Now everybody dead. We gotta siege 'em, break 'em, and bleed 'em, pledge of allegiance. You heard what I said, don't hesitate. If you got a grenade, then throw it. I know that you don't wanna die, and this mission is probably suicide. But if you don't try, there's no succeeding. No one said that this would be easy, believe me. So get it up, hit 'em up, and don't forget anything that I told ya. This is the part of your life where you know that it's good to be soldiers. Do you think they can hold us? It's the team hard as a boulder. Terrorists on the other side of the door. You know they would do anything to get over. They will not yield. Put up a shield and don't forget to look over your shoulder. Ready to breach, ready to siege. Devilish deeds get blown up. We are freedom fighters, so before the night is over, let them feel the bullets when you cock and pull it, soldier.
Infiltrating just to break. Environmental deadly play. I'm here to take that lead, to lead the siege, engaging bloody history.
The world's on fire, 'cause they lit the spark. When they go, we are